Namo myoho renge kyo, namo myoho renge kyo, namo myoho renge kyo. Hi, friends. How are you? I'm glad you're here. Hope you're in good health, secure. Quick video. I had an email recently from one of our Sangha asking me if I had any kind of an issue with what she was doing. And I thought she showed great initiative, and I thought maybe I should share this with the Sangha. I thought it was a pretty darn good idea. As you know, I'm in promoting the Sangha and growing the Sangha. I sometimes make mention of sharing the videos with others that you think might be interested or that you're practicing with in some form or other. But this gal took it a step further. She has a watch party. She is accustomed to having worked with other organizations and stuff, regular meetings, get-togethers. And so she has a few friends, and she asks them to invite people that they may know who might be interested. It's not mandatory. But so she has these small gatherings. I think she does them once a month. But, you know, if you want to do them once a week, once a month, once every whenever, it doesn't have to be regularly scheduled. But what they do is they get together, they chant, they do gongyo, and then they watch one of these videos, or they watch them regularly. You format it however you like. Maybe there's an earlier video that is more geared to your guests, that kind of thing. But it's basically kind of a little watch party. Everybody gets together, they do gongyo, then they watch a video. It's kind of like having me as a guest at your gathering. I think that's wonderful. And then after the video, they have some discussion amongst themselves. Maybe they read along with their copy of the Lotus Sutra or the Gosho or whatever it is. And then they close with Daimoku, and that's their gathering. You know, and then after that, if you want to have a little potluck or whatever, or everyone could just disperse and go home, however you do it, as long as the format is maintained, the dignity that they get together, the chanting and the gongyo, and then there's a discussion and a closing. Man, I think that's just wonderful. That's great. And you know, there are a lot of people who like the community, the connection with others. It doesn't have to be a big group. Just you and your friends, you and one friend, you know. Or maybe it's just you performing gongyo, then watching a video, and then you go on with your day. I just think, I just thought that was really a wonderful thing. I hadn't thought of promoting anything like that, and but I'm just offering it to the Sangha as, gosh, that's a great idea. Maybe some of you are already doing it, so good on you. In the meantime, as always, take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay? Bye for now.